Hello, welcome to Mr. Rollins Maths. Today we're going to talk through place value. Place value is the starting of all of our maths, from addition to subtraction. It's understanding what a number is, what it's made up of, and where it appears in the number line. Our place value revision will be split into three parts. First, we're going to look at representing numbers. Representing. Then we're going to move on to understanding what one more means. And then finally, looking at what one less means. For each one of these, I've got a series of challenges that I will guide you through, and then I'll give you some guided practice questions that you can do at home. Let's begin. Session 1, place value representing. So I'm given this first challenge. What I'm going to do is look at the numbers across the bottom. I've got the number 3, the number 4, the number 8 and the number 1. Now what I've done is I've put dots next to the number. If you like, you can draw dots next to any number or any representation of a number to help you with understanding what that number is. So here I've got 3 and 3 dots. So what I'm going to do is count. Now, do I think it's this one that's 3? Well, we can count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8 there altogether. Do I think that is 3? No, I don't. Have I got that number 8 though across my bottom? And that's 3, 4, 8. Yes, there it is. So what I'm going to do is draw a line between the 8. We're still looking for this number 3 though. Let's move on to the next one. Here I've got a chicken. I've got just one chicken. I don't know which number it would link across. Yes, I see it here, the number 1. I draw a line. Here I've got some small chicks. 1, 2, 3 small chicks. Could I join that to my 3? Yes, I can. So now I've got 4 left with my 4 dots across the bottom. And let's see if that adds up to the sheep across the top. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sheep. And there I go, I can match it up. I can count the number represented across the top, for instance, the turtles, the chicken, the chicks and the sheep, and then look to the numbers or the representation of the numbers below. Again, using dots to help you, or physical resources in front of you. Here I've got a question. Now the first part focused on understanding the fluency, just being able to get it right. Now we're looking at a problem to solve. Sally is counting trains. Explain what mistake she has made. Well, Sally, she's here, and Sally says there are 4 trains. 4 trains. Well, let's count the trains to see if there are 4. Count with me. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 5 trains. What mistake has Sally made? I know there's 5 trains in total. What mistake could she have made? Well, how many red trains are there? That's right. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think Sally has only counted the red trains. So I might write that up and show that Sally has only counted the red trains. Sally has only counted the red trains. Full stop. So now let's look at 2 challenges you can do at home. I'll include a picture of these challenges at home for you to do for guided practice. These guided practice challenges you can do with your mum or your dad at home. But to help you, you might want to get actual things out. So when I'm doing the car challenge here, maybe I can get 3 of the blue cars and 1 of those green cars there. Maybe when I'm counting these objects, I can get them out in front of me just to help you. With more on that, here's my favourite assistant, Geraldine. Hello everyone, and say welcome to Geraldine. Say hello, Geraldine. And today, Geraldine, we are going to get some cars. Do you think you could get me some cars to count? Count with me, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's check that we've got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, we've got 5, Geraldine. Do you think you could write that number for me? Good writing, Geraldine. Now, in the challenge it says, are there 5 cards in total? 5 cards in total? Yes, you think yes. And how many of those cards are blue? How many of those cards are blue? Well, let's count. Do you think you could write how many? Fantastic. Well, thank you, Geraldine, for helping solve that problem. Say bye. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back with another maths challenge soon. Take care.